Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the scoped rocket launcher. This gun, but with the skin. It just looks cooler. It does 3 bars of damage, 2 range, 1 accuracy, and 2 agility. Doesn't sound that good, but trust me, it's a very good weapon. So, 3 bullets. We're going to go to Fiesta Town, which is originally Sandtown, but they renamed it. With the bar. So, with our new event going up, 3 bullets, good firing rate, not as fast as the anti-material sniper. You saw that video. You should go check it out. Totally. It's got the scope's it's alright. It's like an assault weapon. 3 kills in a row already. So it has 3 bullets and it costs $150K out of gold. I mean, the money. So we need to finish off Mike Hunter before he gets to us. Dang it. Rocket Crush. Oh man. We gotta fight each other. Yep, you're dead. Try somebody else. Oh yeah, we use our scope. Oh man, I got it. I hit him in the head. Didn't kill him. Let's hit this guy in the head. Oh. Hit you in the head. No, didn't hit him in the head. Can't hit nobody in the head. Oh, who's hitting me? You can't hit me. That's right. It's got good agility, especially considering it's a rocket launcher. Oh man, I tried to kill Raptor Blaze, but I accidentally killed him. Oh well. Master Viper, you're hanging out back there. I see you. Double kill. Yep. Bam. You can't beat me. Alright, so did missions, and now we're gonna go into multiplayer. So, multiplayer. You can get this gun without buying the $50 pack from the Mexico versus Zombies. You get it as your last one. You get the black chair jacket. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it. Problem is, you'll see noobs on level 1 with this jacket on, with 7 agility. But you get this at the very end. So, you have to kill like 4,000 zombies to get it. So, okay, so we're going against like 8 people or 7 people. I did team versus. Oh man, we need to change that score. Oh no, they're using Rainbow's End, I think. No. It's like the best weapon in the game. And the golden blunderbuss. Oh gosh. We're gonna... Golly, Ned. This is not a fair fight, people. I mean, yeah, we got a bunch of people with the bow. Oh, I guess I hit him. Oh gosh, Rainbow's End. Rainbow's End. happening down over there? Seems like something. Oh gosh, the golden blunderbuss. That's a very good weapon. Just a scope for a while. Holy crap! Bye. You can't kill me. Yeah, I guess you can kill me. It just happens to be that very second I said that, I die. Like my gun? Like my skin? Ooh, one shot kill. Dang it. Oh, look at point force. Now, score's changing. That is a very overpowered gun. We need to kill that guy. Let's kill him. Sneak over here. No. Man, he's camping at our own spot, Mag Dog. Let's snipe him. Snipe him with the rocket launcher. Bam! Can't beat me. Using a weapon that nobody's using and a skin that nobody's got. Bye, world. I'm dead. Whoop, I was one of the lowest ones. Ricardo. I think that was his name. Ricardo. That was our team's top player. Alright. Now we're going to use this. And this. And this. Okay? 10, 10, and we got a 7. Okay? I'm going to take off this skin. Aw, I couldn't. Oh my gosh, this is totally not a fair fight. Okay, I am way slower. I look like a freaking noob compared to this guy. Am I gonna run faster than you? Oh, thought I could. Blech. That's a one-shot kill. That's what our competition is. Oh man, I thought that was the other team. We'll find somebody and let's just demolish them. Uh-oh. I'm not the noob. Did I just switch teams? You're not gonna drop a grenade. You're not high enough. You're not good enough. You didn't make the cut. One shot left. Make it count. You don't know where I am. I'm right here, stupid. Fire 911. I'm gonna moonwalk on him. Oh, he got me back. You know what? I'm gonna nickname those two people Twin Blunders because they're both using the blunderbuss. Wonder blunder. That's a one-shot kill. And I died again. With 20 health. I couldn't even throw a grenade. So you gonna get that? Come on, get out of your hacking spot. Get wrecked. No. Oh, but I guess that's what I get for moonwalking on his face. His dead face. Ooh! No. we need, so there's some grenades. Got some party grenades here. And technically they're grenades, but they look like they're party when you throw them. Eli was here.
Mom, you know where Charger is?
Oh man, he wrecked him! No! That is not a fair fight. I can't go against something like that that's a one-shot kill. Yes, I can. No, you can't go. Okay, so that time he did one-shot kill me. Alrighty. I can't kill him. Oh, there we go. You are dead now. You are dead now. I'm gonna kill you again. Oh. I'm gonna equip some new. Alright, this guy just keeps killing me. Just stop killing me. Please. Please, little man. He got the last kill. Wasn't quite fast enough. It was just 2v4 and we lost, I think. Did we lose? I wasn't paying attention. Ricardo. I want to be on Fire 911. He's a good guy. Oh, yes. Oh, man, I thought Fire 911 lived. See who's to be the next person. Oh, just me and Ricardo and Fire 911. Crap. Let's fight this guy. Yeah. Is he gonna use the same weapon? I hope he don't. Come on, I'm just a poor guy. You came out of nowhere. Where did he come from? I was about to kill him. Boing. Hi. No. No way. Is that a machine gun? I don't think that is a one-shot kill. I think... Come on, Ricardo. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I think I got his attention. He just ran right by me. Hi. Hi, Ricardo. I'm right here. I'm right here, stupid. Hey, I'm right here. You see me? Mm-hmm. You ran away from battle, you little coward. I'm right here. You're just gonna... What you gonna do? Oh my gosh, you big old cheap shot. Oh, you're dead now. I died again. Fire 911, I want to kill you. This gun, though, it's got a good fire rate. The scope's completely useless. It's got 3 bullets, which is awesome. I wouldn't say it's the best thing in the world, but once again, we're going against Fire 911. You see this guy. You don't give him any mercy. Just kill him. He was mean to me. That's what I'm talking about. I killed him. But then he's going to run right back to his little camp spot. King of campers. You see Fire 911? Call him King of campers because he is the King of campers. What type of a gun is that anyway? It's huge. Fire 911, will you please stop killing me? I'm gonna go this way, and how did he know I was right there? How? He's gonna be waiting. good gun. He's just waiting on me. He comes out of nowhere. Oh, where's my buddy in all this? I'm just changing my weapons. The fire speed on that. What is this? You know what? This isn't even a fair fight. Ah! I need to throw a grenade at him. Before this battle's over, I will kill him. He killed me again. Well, I don't know if I can kill him before the battle's over, because he's killing us before the battle's over. He's getting his last hits in. I won't die. See, I didn't die. Oh, little tip, it was 3 against 2. Not fair at all. Well, this is where I'm going to close up the video, and this is what I'm going to call. This is not a god weapon. I would call this a very fun weapon. It's got 2 agility, which makes it very good. But I would still consider, I think this is not a very good gun. The scope's completely useless, and it's just got 3. It's got 3 bullets, and that's all. It's terrible. So the missile launcher is better than the scope missile launcher. But if you don't have enough gold to buy the missile launcher, then you can just buy this, which is 150k. So good luck saving up for it, and you get it like on level 46. So I'm gonna call this the end of the video, and I'm gonna do my outro, which is bye bye.